This morning, help for flood victims in Kentucky has come from all corners of the country, across the globe, in fact, including those who know all about this type of disaster. Last December, it was a deadly tornado that went through Hopkins County on the other side of the state. The community of Dawson Springs was just about leveled, and their rebuilding has started. This past weekend, Judge Executive Jack Whitfield loaded up a trailer of supplies from this area and then went to eastern Kentucky to help with the flood victims there. Considering what happened in his community of Hopkins County, we asked Whitfield if he was surprised what he saw when he went to the flood zone.
I was definitely surprised, and it was eerily similar to the tornado. Very specific paths, except there were several different paths that this took because, different creeks overflowed, different rivers. But the level of damage and destruction was very similar. Houses were picked up and destroyed or moved. You could see where water had entered into a house and had just blown out the foundation on the other side.
Whitfield brought supplies and also advice for his counterparts in eastern Kentucky who are facing a long road to recovery.
What I wanted to do was go up there and sit with my counterpart in Knott County, because not only is he dealing with a disaster on the county level, his house was also flooded. So he's dealing with it on a personal level. I didn't have that. I just had others that had damage and destruction. So I knew kind of the stress and difficulties he was facing in that moment, only on a whole nother level because of his own personal property being damaged. So I wanted to go up there and come along beside one of my counterparts to be able to help them to navigate and maybe get on a path to rebuild faster than we were able to.
Whitfield says the communities in eastern Kentucky will need support and volunteers for some time. There will be plenty of opportunities to help out. Both communities in Kentucky need it. If you want to help out the flood victims, we have a way to do it. Just point your phone at the QR code right there. Open up the camera first, and that will take you to the Christian Appalachian Project, which is a Kentucky-based nonprofit that will provide direct disaster relief and serve the Appalachian region and eastern Kentucky, all impacted by this catastrophe. Megan?